These Peasur 4x4 solar post cap lights offer three distinct color temperatures with two brightness levels each, making them easy to tune for either subtle ambiance or stronger pathway lighting. They are sized specifically for standard 4-inch wood and vinyl posts, so they sit neatly on deck rails, fences, and mailboxes without awkward gaps or overhang. Because they rely entirely on solar charging and switch on automatically at dusk, they provide consistent accent lighting without any wiring, timers, or ongoing effort. The housings are built to handle rain, snow, and sun exposure, so they keep working through changing seasons rather than failing after the first storm. Installation is straightforward, with a simple base and screw design that lets most homeowners mount the caps in a sunny spot using basic tools only. With a dozen lights in one set, it is easy to create a continuous, coordinated look along a fence line or around an entire deck perimeter.